Hi everyone. This is part 41 of the bike build. Uh, this is the instrument panel. And this is the first part. So I'll be putting that together. Okay, 27. That's this part here. 27. What else do I need? An A3. And that's this part here. Well, Brooklyn, yeah, it's coming to the end pretty soon. There's let me see. There's let me see. 4 more steps, and then it's done. 4 more steps. I hope you're really excited about it. Just have to see how this goes together. Oh, okay. So this goes on first. I think. Oh, I'll take the knobs off. I don't know why they have so many fucking freaking knobs on this fucking freaking thing. Like extra plastic that shouldn't be there. I don't know why that is. Take the sanding stick. I might post another video later. I'm not 100% sure. All depends how things go. Now I gotta see this again. Okay. So this goes like so. Or like this. Oh. Or like that. Goes like that. Just put a little bit of glue on it. This this dries pretty fast. It just melts plastics together. If you're wondering. Sometimes you have to blow on it, because sometimes you use way too much. You gotta watch it. You don't use too much because it'll burn right through. That's that piece, and then this piece. Goes like that. And this goes like this. Like this. Now I gotta put some decals in there, but and that's it. So yeah, Brooklyn. I'll show you. Okay, we're at number 23, and this is the last page. Right here. This is the last page right here. So 1, 2, 3 steps. I already did the fourth one. So 3 more steps. This is already put together. The cowl. So it's basically just 2 steps really. Okay, Brooklyn? So you should have this bike very soon. Very soon. I just have to figure out the best way to package it. You know? And whatnot. If anybody has any suggestions, the best way to ship it, please leave a comment after the video. And if anybody can help me out, because this bike is very fragile and I don't want nothing broken off it when I mail it to Brooklyn. Because you know how the mail service works. But anyways, that's it for now. And like I said before, join the membership. That way you get in the free draw. Once I get 10 members, I got 6 right now. Once I get 10, then I will do a giveaway. And it's free. I'll ship it anywhere. Okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.